Hey guys, how you doing? We're back here with another PPF installation video. So this one that we're gonna do now is for the headlights, for both headlights and down here at the bottom of the fog lights. So this one shouldn't take us that long because it's very simple. So the last part we did, well, the first PPF part we did was for the hood. So now again, we're gonna move on to the headlights. So before we go and apply the PPF, what we're gonna do is we're gonna clean the headlights off, you know, make sure there's no trash underneath. So we're gonna go ahead and do that right now with the little spray, and I'm gonna making sure you have like a clean microfiber rag. Go ahead and just spray a bit. Like that. Wipe it down. Clean off the area around it too. We got our pre-cuts right here for the headlights. So we're gonna start with the passenger side. So what you're gonna do is I'm gonna peel it off right here halfway. And then I'm gonna go ahead and get our slip solution, which again, it is basically majority of it is all water with a few drops of baby shampoo, which is recommended because it gives it a better grip. Spray it. Grab the other side. Spray that too. I'm gonna spray the headlight. And we're gonna go ahead and place it. Number one, we're gonna add a little bit more slip solution to give us some, and then help line it up. Now that we got that placed, I'm gonna go ahead and then grab our tack solution, which is a mixture of water and alcohol. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray that in here. Grab our squeegee, start squeegeeing it out. Make sure we get all the water bubbles out from underneath. Get a rag, clean off the moisture around. Get the first one on. Now we're gonna go ahead and then work our way onto the bottom one of the fog light, which is right down here. So now we're gonna go ahead and do the fog light. So again, give it a little spray. Wipe it down. I'm gonna spray a little bit of slip solution. Just put it on. Spray tack solution again. I'll go with the skinnier one. It too. That one was quick. Like I did mention, it was gonna be quick because it's very just a strip. Now we got this side done on the passenger. We're gonna go over and do the driver's side now. Same thing we did on that side, we're gonna go ahead and do on this side. So again, quick sprays, clean off the area. For that, we're gonna go ahead, get our slip solution, pull off halfway. Spray it here. bit more slip solution to the top. Squeegee down. Pushing out whatever remaining water bubbles we see. Because you want to make sure you get all the liquid out, because if not, when it dries up over time, you're going to start seeing like all the dried up water on the inside. That's it. Now we're going to go ahead and do the last piece that we need for the headlights and the fog lights, which is the last one. So again, spray it and clean out the area. Rag and dry it off. Alright guys, well that's it. We're done with the headlights and the fog lights PPF installation. So thank you guys for stopping by. Stay tuned for more PPF installations on the Tesla Model Y, because we're going to be doing the whole car. So that's about it. Thank you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Follow us on our social medias at IG, TikTok, Twitter, and Facebook. Thank you guys so much, and we'll see you guys on the next one.